Using AI for high-level financial strategy is a game changer for both individuals and businesses. But it's not just about plugging numbers into a calculator. It's about leveraging the power of algorithms to transform how you make decisions, manage risk, and ultimately grow your wealth. And I'm going to show you how AI can take your financial game to the next level without the fluff you've seen in other videos. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to make smarter, data-driven decisions in your financial strategy. AI can help identify trends that human analysts would miss. That's where we start. Imagine having a tool that analyzes thousands of data points in real time, spotting market trends, and advising you on exactly where to allocate resources. This kind of AI can help you in risk management, investment planning, and even budgeting. Think about this. If you had AI analyzing market movements or company performance every second of the day, you'd be ahead of the curve, making smarter, faster decisions that give you a serious advantage. But it doesn't stop there. One area where AI excels is in predictive analytics. Predicting market changes, economic shifts, or even company performance can feel like a shot in the dark, but AI can take historical data, analyze patterns, and forecast future outcomes with remarkable accuracy. The key is how these systems analyze past events and predict future movements based on millions of data points, something that would take a human team years to crunch through. And while the past is never a perfect predictor, AI gives you a solid starting point to base your decisions on, rather than relying on gut instincts or outdated information. For those looking to manage their investments, AI can also optimize portfolios. Through machine learning, AI systems can analyze thousands of stocks, bonds, and real estate investments, suggesting optimal portfolios that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. You don't have to worry about missing out on opportunities because AI doesn't sleep. It keeps track of all the moving parts and adjusts your portfolio in real time, ensuring you're always making the most out of your investments. Now, this is where it gets interesting, and where I need you to really pay attention. While AI offers immense potential, it's only as good as the data you feed it. So, if you're not putting the right data into the system, or if the AI is only using outdated or incomplete information, you could be making costly mistakes. That's a crucial thing to keep in mind when you start implementing AI in your financial strategy. And I'm going to show you how to avoid that mistake and ensure your AI systems are working at their peak. But here's something many people overlook. AI also helps with behavioral finance. It can analyze your own spending habits and help you make better financial decisions by pointing out patterns you may not even realize you have. Whether you're spending too much, holding on to unnecessary assets, or missing out on potential investments, AI can act as a kind of financial therapist, guiding you towards smarter decisions that align with your long-term goals. And before I wrap this up, let me remind you, unlike other videos you may have watched, I'm not getting paid by affiliate commissions for recommending any AI tools. What I'm showing you here is straight-up, value-driven content. My goal is to give you practical, actionable advice that can genuinely help you improve your financial strategy using AI. So, if you've gotten value from this video and you want more content that doesn't have hidden agendas or affiliate incentives, make sure to subscribe. You'll be getting straight to the point, no fluff, no gimmicks, just the info you need to stay ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.